x minus 79 is equal to 153. The opposite operation of subtraction is addition, so we add 79 on both sides, which leaves me with x is equal to 153 plus 79, which is 232. B, x plus 46 is equal to 82. Well, the opposite operation of addition is subtraction, so we subtract 46 on both sides, which means that x is equal to 82 minus 46, which is 36. See? 6x is equal to 100. Well, the opposite operation of multiplication is division, so we divide both sides by 6, which means that x is equal to 100 over 6. And D, x over 7 is equal to 19. Well, the opposite operation of division is multiplication, so multiply both sides by 7, which means x is equal to 133.